Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Today's video we are going to discover how we could join the Microsoft 365 and family subscription. So it's very easy, guys. The subscriptions works the same. So here, if I went to my account, let me just go ahead and connect to my account on Microsoft. Here, after clicking on here, you will find, let me just click this. Um, let's ignore it. So here, as you can see, I have my subscription. So this is my account. This is my subscription. So here you'll find everything about your account, details, etc. What I would really rather do is to click on Get Microsoft 365. By clicking on it, you will have two options. Either get the personal or the family one. In our case, we would like to get the family one. So to get it, it's pretty simple. Just click on the family one by choosing either to pay monthly or by by year. Now the difference is that by year you will save up to 16%, but you're gonna pay the full amount of the year. On the other half, for month, you're not gonna save anything and you're gonna pay per month. So this is the difference. In your case, guys, you're simply gonna click on buy now and you're gonna get all these apps and features that you're gonna get right here. To read more, you simply have to read them one by one and you're gonna get an idea about what you're getting. The difference between the personal and family are pretty similar, the, but is little changing, which is a little changing factor, which is basically here you only have one person by account and here you have up to 6 people that could be using this account at the same time. For example, your dad is using Word, your mom is using Excel, and you are using PowerPoint, and so go on. And click on buy now, put your informations, and congrats, you bought the account. See you guys in the next video.